Welcome back to Revive Right. Today, we go beyond the common weight loss trends to uncover the true science of vinegar. We often hear that apple cider vinegar is a miracle cure, but do we truly understand how it actually works? Many people mistakenly believe it is packed with vitamins and minerals, but the real secret lies in something much simpler. Dr. Berg explains that its true power is not nutrition, but its potent acidity, specifically a compound called acetic acid. With a pH of around 2.5, this liquid provides the acidity your body might be desperately crying out for. In our modern world, we assume we have too much acid, but the reality for many is actually the opposite. This condition is what experts call alkalosis, a state where your body becomes too alkaline, disrupting your essential biological functions. Why does this happen? The primary culprit is chronic stress, which floods our system with a hormone known as cortisol. High cortisol levels force your body to eliminate essential acids through urine, leaving your system in a dangerously alkaline state. You might notice subtle signs like twitching nerves or slight breathing difficulties, indicators that your pH balance is shifting incorrectly. When your stomach becomes too alkaline, it loses the ability to digest protein efficiently and absorb critical minerals like calcium. This leads us to a major paradox regarding heartburn and GERD, conditions often treated incorrectly with acid-reducing medication. The valve at the top of your stomach is controlled by pH. It needs strong acid to close tightly and securely. By adding apple cider vinegar, you lower the stomach pH, signaling that valve to shut, preventing acid reflux naturally. Beyond digestion, this acidity is crucial for absorbing minerals that your body cannot process in an overly alkaline environment. When your body is too alkaline, calcium precipitates out of solution, forming stones in kidneys and deposits on your joints. Apple cider vinegar helps dissolve this misplaced calcium, mobilizing it so it can be transported to where it belongs. Instead of causing harm in your soft tissues, the calcium is redirected to strengthen your bones and support muscle function. This mechanism may even help prevent cataracts, which are often just calcium deposits forming where they should not be. Now, let's talk about metabolism. Acetic acid has a direct stimulating effect on your thyroid gland and metabolic rate. This is why it is a powerful tool for weight loss, not by magic, but by optimizing your hormonal function. By correcting the pH, you allow your metabolism to work more efficiently, burning fat stores that were previously locked away. To get the maximum benefit, Dr. Berg recommends a specific drink recipe that enhances the effects of the vinegar. Start with 2 teaspoons of organic apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. This is your potent acidic base. Next, add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds vitamin C and helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. Then, add a teaspoon of unsweetened cranberry juice. This supports kidney health and adds a necessary tartness to the drink. Finally, add a pinch of fresh ginger or ginger extract. This soothes the stomach and further stimulates your digestive fire. Mix it all together. You can add water to dilute the taste if it is too strong for your palate. Drink this mixture 3 times a day, ideally right before your meals, to prepare your stomach for optimal digestion. Over time, you will notice reduced bloating, better energy levels, and a gradual improvement in your weight management efforts. It is not a magic pill, but a scientific way to restore your body's chemistry to its natural, healthy state. The acetic acid ensures proteins are fully broken down, preventing the rot and gas that causes bloating and discomfort. Better digestion leads to a stronger immune system, as your gut health is directly linked to your overall immunity. By managing stress and pH, you may also find your sleep quality improves, creating a positive cycle of health. This simple household ingredient is a powerful tool against the hidden epidemic of alkalosis caused by our stressful lives. Combine this drink with a diet rich in vegetables and low in processed sugars for the best possible results. Studies also suggest that vinegar helps improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to handle blood sugar. With calcium removed from your joints and put back into your bones, movement becomes easier and less painful every day. Your skin may also clear up, as a healthy liver and gut are often reflected in a radiant complexion. Systemic calcification is a silent aging factor. Acetic acid helps keep your arteries flexible and free from stiff deposits. Mental clarity often follows physical balance. When your body isn't fighting digestion, your brain has more energy to focus. Remember, consistency is key. One drink won't change everything, but a daily habit will transform your health over time. Many users report feeling a difference in their digestion and energy levels within just a few days of starting. Dr. Berg's insights challenge the conventional wisdom, focusing on the mechanism of action rather than just empty marketing claims. While vinegar itself is not a probiotic, it creates the perfect acidic environment for your own good bacteria to thrive. A word of caution: never drink apple cider vinegar undiluted. It is strong enough to burn your throat and esophagus. Always dilute it in water and consider using a straw to protect your tooth enamel from the acetic acid. Combined with exercise, the metabolic boost from acetic acid can help you break through stubborn weight loss plateaus. If you eat a lot of protein, this drink is even more essential to ensure you extract every nutrient. Your liver works hard every day. This simple drink acts as a gentle tonic to support its detoxification pathways. Nature often provides the best remedies. We just need to understand the science of how to use them correctly. It is safe for most people, but always consult with your doctor if you have ulcers or specific medical conditions. Unlike the harmful acid in sodas, the organic acid in vinegar mimics your body's natural chemistry for healing purposes. The cranberry juice in the recipe isn't just for flavor. It provides powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation in the body. Ginger adds a warming element, helping to soothe any potential nausea and further speeding up gastric emptying time. Gastric emptying is crucial. If food sits in your stomach too long, it ferments. This drink keeps things moving. Weight loss is a journey of hormones. By controlling insulin and cortisol, the weight comes off as a side effect. Your thyroid hormones need to be received by your cells. An acidic environment helps sensitize these receptors significantly. Imagine going through your day with steady energy, no afternoon crash, and no burning sensation in your chest. For those prone to kidney stones, the citrate in lemon and the acid in vinegar are your best daily defense. When buying vinegar, always look for the cloudy sediment at the bottom. That is the mother, full of enzymes. Shake the bottle before you pour. You want those enzymes and beneficial bacteria in every single glass you drink. It is especially helpful before a heavy meal or when dining out, acting as a digestive shield for your stomach. Stable energy comes from stable blood sugar. This simple hack blunts the glucose spike from your carbohydrate intake. Health is about balance. We strive to balance our pH, not by guessing, but by understanding our body's physiology. Don't let stress dictate your biology. Take control of your internal environment with this simple, natural, and effective tool. Let's recap the recipe: water, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, cranberry juice, and ginger. Simple, affordable, and powerful. Write this down or save this video. Make it a part of your morning ritual and your pre-dinner routine. Cheers to your health. It is a small change in your day that can yield massive results for your life. Give it 2 weeks. Monitor how your digestion feels, how your clothes fit, and how your energy levels sustain. Science continues to validate what natural healers have known for centuries. Acid is not always the enemy, it is fuel. Sweat out the toxins, burn the fat, and digest your food properly. It all starts with the correct stomach pH. Wake up feeling lighter and more ready to tackle the day. No more sluggish mornings or heavy, bloated feelings. Protect your future mobility by ensuring calcium goes to your bones, not your arteries or your kidneys. Health is the greatest wealth. Investing a few minutes a day in this drink is an investment in longevity. If the taste is too sour, add a drop of stevia, but avoid sugar as it defeats the purpose completely. Sugar spikes insulin, which locks fat in cells. We want to lower insulin, so keep the drink sugar-free. Confidence comes from feeling good inside. When your digestion works, you feel lighter, happier, and more confident instantly. To summarize, weight loss support, reflux relief, calcium mobilization, and a metabolic boost. All from one simple kitchen ingredient. It is inexpensive, accessible, and scientifically grounded. There is no reason not to try this protocol starting today. If you found this information helpful, please share it with a friend who might be struggling with these issues. Check out our other videos for more deep dives into how your body works and how to heal naturally. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay curious, and remember to subscribe to Video Creator for more vital health secrets.